Hello everyone and welcome to part 9 of this Blender tutorial series. In this part we are going to position our camera. First I'll change my shader editor to 3D viewport. Then right here I'll turn off my overlays and my gizmos. Then I'll hit Shift A on my keyboard, then I'll add in a camera. Then under the camera properties or the object data properties, I'll turn the focal length to 35. Then right here on the viewport display, I'll turn this value to 1. Then right here I'll enable render region and crop to render region. Then I'll move this thing up. Then right here on this viewport I'll hit number pad 0 or enable your gizmo and you can hit this camera icon. Then right here I'll hit Alt R, then it will clear my rotations. Then I'll hit R, X, then 90°. Then I'll move this thing down like this and try to position your camera. Play around the rotation, the position of your camera, hit G and Z, etc. At this point I'll leave my camera at these coordinates, but I recommend you to set up your own camera positioning. So if I hit Z and 8 key, you can see what we are looking. And in the next part, in part 10, we are going to create the sky, the background. So see you in the next part.